how to join XM affiliate program. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to join XM affiliate program. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and kindly go to partners.xm.com, or you can simply click the link on the description below. But before that, let's start first by knowing this platform. XM is a well-known and reputable Forex and CFD broker that provides services for traders worldwide, in which traders can access the platform through desktop application for Windows and Mac, web-based platforms that require no download, and mobile apps for both iOS and Android devices. And also, this platform offers a user-friendly and comprehensive trading experience, allowing clients to trade a wide range of financial instruments. And now from here, in order to register or join to XM affiliate program, just proceed by clicking Register Partner Account button in here, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed in this page. And from here, all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information, including your personal details such as your first name, last name, your birthday, and your address details, including your country of residence, city or town, state or region, residential address, street number, postal or zip code, and even your contact details, including your phone number, email address, your Skype, MSN, WeChat, QQ, and many more. And below the contact details, you could also see some of the information that you need to fill out, which is the business information. All you need to do is to fill out your company name, the website of your company, the tax ID or VAT ID, and also below that info, you're also required to enter your account details, including your preferred language, in which upon clicking on it, it will show you the list of a variety of languages from different regions around the world. And all you need to do is to select one language that you prefer. And as you can see here, I choose the English language. While below that, you are also required to enter or formulate your account password. And make sure that in creating your account password, it must contain at least 3 characters types, including lowercase, uppercase, and numbers. And after formulating your own password, just check the boxes below here that indicate that you agree to the terms and condition. And after that, it will show you that you have now successfully opened an XM partner account. And it says here that in order to complete the registration process, please confirm your email by clicking the link that has been sent to your email inboxes. So from your email inboxes, just proceed by clicking confirm email address. And after that, just wait for it to load and you will be directed in here. And from here, it will show you that you have now successfully opened an XM partner account, which also include your affiliate ID that you will be using in logging in or signing in to their affiliate program. And below here, it will show you the step-by-step process on how you can start referring clients, which is the first step is to log in to the partners area, followed by verifying your partner account, and of course, the last step is to start referring clients. And to do all of that step, just proceed by clicking the click here context that has been written in here. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed in this page. And from here, all you need to do is to enter or paste your affiliate ID and enter your password in here. And after that, just proceed by clicking the login button below, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed in here. And as you can see, this is what the homepage of XM look like. And on the top panel, it will show you a variety of options that you can navigate. Those options including homepage, campaigns, marketing material, links, reports, payments, promotion, and reward program. Now under the homepage, the next thing that we need to do is to get verified. And in order to do that, just click this Get Verified button right here and you will be directed in this, in which there are 2 processes such as to upload your documents and phone verification, in which under the upload documents, all you need to do is to scan and upload documents requested below, such as a GIF, JPG, PNG, or PDF file formats with a maximum of file size of 10 MB. And by clicking the Browse button below the proof of identity, you will be able to upload or import your ID, such as your driver's license, identity card, and other valid ID. And make sure that the ID contain the client's full name, an issue or expiry date, the date of birth, tax identification number, and the client's signature. Well, for the next step is your phone verification, in which all you need to do is to enter the code that has been sent in your phone number. So from here, all you need to do is to enter the code. And after that, just proceed by clicking the Verify button. And upon clicking on it, it will show you that your phone verification has now been success. And let's say you've now already done the account verification. The next thing that you need to do is to go back to the home page. And from here, if you scroll down below, you will see the quick links that will be useful in referring a client. We have here quick links for homepage link, real account link, mobile app link, and sub-affiliate link, in which you can attach any of those links to your social media platform such as Facebook, Twitter, or even Instagram. And aside from that, on the top panel, you could also navigate the marketing material in which you could use banners in promoting this platform. And below here, it will show you a variety of banners that you can use in promoting the campaign in this platform. But you could also set the category of campaign, language, or even the size of the banner. And after entering some of the category that you prefer, you will see the banner results that you prefer below, in which, as you can see on each banner below, it contains an HTML coding that you can copy in order to get this banner. And below here, it will show you a variety of sizes of different banner in promoting this platform. And aside from marketing material, you could also navigate the links on the top panel, in which upon clicking on it, it will show you some of the quick links that you could also copy, which also contain an HTML code. And aside from that, on the top, you could also set up the filter links, in which you can choose your preference, campaign, link type, language, and all category. And now let's try to open the link in our next tab by copying and pasting the URL in here. And as you can see, this is what the clients will see if they try to click the quick link that you promote in your social media platform. And aside from this link, you could also navigate some of the quick links in here, which is very helpful in promoting the XM platform. While in terms of payment option, if the client uses your link to sign up or create an account on XM, you will receive a commission, and the commission that you will receive will automatically go to your balance in here. And you can withdraw your earnings using your bank account or e-wallet account. And all you need to do is to set up your payment options. So that is just how to join XM affiliate program. Thank you.